What's going on, guys? Mathieu here. In today's episode we are in downtown Sacramento and we're going to be exploring the most affordable options move-in ready property currently available as of September 2023. My name is Mathieu Adams. I'm a Sacramento area real estate specialist. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at mathieu.adams@exprealty.com. Currently, average sales price here in downtown Sacramento is about $659,000. So I wanted to explore 3 different properties around that price point. So I found 3 properties, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, about $558,000. And we're going to go all the way to on the other side, slightly above the average price point at $675,000, a fully remodeled Victorian house, 2 bedroom, 2 bath. Let's go. First off on the list is this cute little bungalow southeast of downtown Sacramento, currently on the market for $558,000. It's a 2 bedroom, 2 bath, about 960 square foot. Very close to the highway, so I don't know if you can hear it, but over there is the highway. You have a school, Mathieu school, I think it's right here. The good thing with this house, they kept the original feature of the house and they just upgraded just nicely the kitchen and the flooring. Some of the flooring has been upgraded. Original fireplace. You have a big entryway for 900 square foot. I think the volume are very nice in this house. It's a 2 bedroom, 1 bath. Very tall ceiling, fairly tall ceiling. I'm 6'1", I'm not touching. Original charm of this house with the little thing like this. You can see who's coming. Long dining room. You can set up actually for 8 people very easily. They changed the cabinetry, I believe, are original, but they changed the countertop to look a little bit more modern, having a new faucet coming out from the wall, brand new appliances, and also you have a little breakfast nook. For the rest of the house, we have 2 bedrooms that are pretty equally sized. You can fit probably a king size bed in here, or queen size will fit beautifully. Bathroom, in my opinion, could have been upgraded a little bit more, probably brand new vanities here. I think will add so much more values, but it's actually a pretty decent size. Have your tub and a shower combo for the house. The second bedroom of the house with the view of the backyard. To access to the backyard, we have to go through the laundry space. In my opinion, this backyard can be split. You probably can sell that portion from that brick here all the way back, probably for $200,000. This was the first house, $558,000, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, about 960 square foot, with the AC remodeled, with a potential splitting the lot to get you about $200,000. Not bad. Let's go for the next location. Second stuff on the list is this cute bungalow right behind me, a 2 bedroom, 1 bath, about 1,026 square foot. We're on 21st Street. 21st Street ran north and south here in downtown Sacramento. We're on the north end of Sacramento in the New Era Park area. Beautiful little porch, covered porch. And look how beautiful this hardwood floor and all this inlay on the side here. Living room or entryway with the dining room space right in the back here. So kind of a nice little open space. You have your kitchen right here. It's actually a pretty big kitchen, very well kept, very unique wall and ceiling with all this wood. Two bedroom, 1 bath, so you have the 2 bedroom right off the living space. 2 bedroom, first one right here, decent size with a walk-in closet, and you have the second bedroom, very similar size. You probably can fit maybe a queen size bed here. Bathroom on the narrow side. I think having maybe a shower would be a little bit better for this configuration. I want to show you this one because this one has a full basement, and There you go. Looked like at some point it was some type of living space. I don't think it was legal, but you have about 6'4" height under the truss. Old stove and people cooking or at least brewing tea back in the day here. I don't think you can split this lot or even build an ADU on it because the lot is actually fairly small, it's 0.1 of an acres. You have your garage right here and the little backyard. I think it's good enough for like your planters and probably some entertainment, some chairs and everything. Last house we're going to be touring is this beauty. It's a 1900 build year. 2 bedroom, 2 bath, about 1,039 square foot, completely remodeled. They put about $170,000 in rehab into this house. We're on 23rd Street, so 2 blocks over from the previous property we just toured. As you enter on the left side, you're gonna be having your living room, probably TV on the wall with the plug placed around here. I love the stained windows right here, nice little couch area. Progressing through the house, you have the dining room space and a kitchen in the back. Dining room can accommodate easily, probably even 10 people. We stay in the kitchen for a second. You have your countertop with 2, maybe 3 seaters in the front, your under the counter mounted sink, stainless steel, 2 light fixtures, goes all the way to the top here. And we step around, it's kind of mini, kind of triangle shape. Imagine you have your fridge right here, your 5-burner stove and oven. First bedroom, right off the kitchen, will be your master because you have not only little walk-in closet right here, but also your ensuite. I love this floating double sink vanity here. 2 rounded mirrors. Good to get ready in the morning on either side. Let's continue on. We have the second bed pass through. This one is on the smaller side. I think a queen size bed and an office will fit. Maybe a nursery would be good also here. And you have the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom has also a floating vanity, a double sink vanity with roughly the same rounded mirrors we see in the primary suite. And your shower tub combo in the back here. And we're getting into the backyard. So this one do not have, I believe, a basement, but the backyard is big enough. If you want just to entertain, having a barbecue, yeah, maybe a jacuzzi also would do fine. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this videos. If you have any question about any of the property you've seen on the screen, just feel free to reach out. My email is on the screen right now. And until next time, if you want to see something else, pick any of these 2 videos. I think you guys are going to enjoy that one. See ya.